welcome back to my channel. Well, what we're going to be doing today is decorating my sofa table. So before I start, I want to show you what I picked up at Sam's. I know it's really hard probably to see from the glare coming in, but it's unfortunately the best I can do. We just get so much light coming in from out there. I picked up these micro LED wire lights. There's 4 sets of lights in here. They're warm white. They also have bright white and multicolor. And they come with batteries. I love that. They have a timer with 6 hours on and 18 hours off. And they're just really nice, and they have 8 functions. They have a demo mode where they all flash, pulsing, chasing, slow glow, chasing flash, fade in, fade out, twinkle flash, or steady on. And these were only $11 and something, so I think it's a really good deal. And like I said, they come with the batteries. I just could not believe that when I saw that. So I wanted to show you that, and I just got them a couple days ago. Okay, first what I'm going to do is just take this garland, and I think I got this at Big Lots several years ago, but I think they have it right now. And I'm just going to wrap it around the base of my lamps right here, and then wrap it in itself. I just want to give it like a really fall, cute look. And I'm going to do the same principle over here until I get it exactly like I want it. And just sort of stick the ends in there. Okay, I like that pretty well. Might try to make it a little tighter. Yeah, I think I like that better, tighter. And I'm going to go see the ophthalmologist today because my eyes are in a state of total bloodshot. So hopefully he will give me some ideas about what I can do, okay, or what is actually going on. I think that looks really cute. Okay, now I'm going to take these little candle holders, Dollar Tree candle holders, Dollar Tree leaves, and a Dollar Tree pumpkin that I spray painted and made a couple years ago, and there's a video on my channel showing how to do that. I love this DIY, so pretty. Okay, I'm going to put that there. Then I'm taking this little DIY I made from burlap. It just has some styrofoam, Dollar Tree flowers, and a Dollar Tree acorn, and I just fixed that, and I love how that turned out. Then I'm going to take my little truck that I got at Hobby Lobby several years ago, and I'm just going to set it right about there. I think that is so festive. Then I'm going to take my fall sign. I got this at Target's Dollar Spot several years ago, and it was teal, I believe, and I didn't really want it teal, so I painted it like a chocolate brown, and then I just put glitter over it, and I think it really pops. So let me put that there. Then I just need to get a candle. Okay, now I'm just going to get this pumpkin French toast candle from Bath and Body and set that right there. I just think that is adorable. And we are finished. I'll take the camera down and give you a close-up look, but this is such an easy way to decorate for fall, but it gives such a warm and inviting look to your home. Okay. This is how it looks totally, far away from. Then you just come up here, and I am going to hang some owls down from my lamps from the Dollar Tree. I just need to get them. They're in my little bin, but I just love how that turned out. It just looks so natural, so pretty. It looks very festive, and the little truck. I just love that arrangement. And then we come here and then that candle, and it just looks so pretty against the little pumpkin candle holders I made, and then the fall leaves. I really do like this. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.